Hi, my dear students. This is P. Nageshwara. Welcome to PNR Maths Academy. We are already discussed about the two LAQ questions, 7 marks questions. This is the third LAQ, pair of straight line. Most important question. Please listen carefully. So, in this question, find the angle between the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 and the line 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the given question and solution is first we write the given curve equation. So the given equation of curve is x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. This is equation 1. This is the equation 1. Next, given line is 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So the given line is 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and only one is taken into left side, remaining two terms taken into another side, that means minus y taken into another side, this is plus y, plus 3x taken into another side, this is minus 3x. So we get y minus 3x equal to 1. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. So, and next, homogenizing equation 1 with the help of equation 2. Homogenizing means all the powers are same. Homogeneous equation is all the powers is same. That means x power 2, x power 1, y power 1, here power is 2, y power 2 and 2x power only 1 is there. So we write 2x into 1 and next y power 1 is there. We write 2y into 1 minus only 5 is there. So we write 5 into 1 whole square. We replace the value of 1 from the equation 2. So equation 1 value is y minus 3x. Replace this value in this place of 1. Y minus 3x, y minus 3x, y minus 3x whole square. So this is in the form of y minus 3x whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So and next 2x into y 2xy, 2x into 3x, 2 3 6x square. This is same, x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is not changed. 2x into y 2xy plus of minus minus 2 3 6 x into x square, 2y into y 2y square, 2y into 3x, 2 3s are 6, x into y, xy, minus 5 into y minus 3x whole square means y square plus 3x whole square. That means it is b square. Y whole square means it is a square. 3x whole square means it is b square. That means 3x whole square means 9x square minus 2 into y into 3x. That means it is 6xy equal to 0. So we again multiply 5 into y square, 5y square, 5 into 9, 45 x square, plus of minus minus, minus 5 into y square, minus 5y square, minus of minus plus, 5 6s are 30, xy equal to 0. So and next we are added like terms. That means only x square is there here and next to minus 6x square, next to minus 45x square. X square quotients 1 minus 6 minus 45. 1 minus 6 minus 45. Negative terms minus 51, positive term plus 1. It is final answer is minus 50. Minus 50 x square. Y square quotient here 1 is there. Y square quotient here 1 is there. Y square quotient here plus 2 is there. And y square quotient is minus 5. That means 1 plus 2 3. 3 minus 5 means minus 2. So here minus 2y square. Next xy quotient. That means here 2xy, here 2xy plus 2xy 4xy and plus 30xy. 2 plus 2 4 plus 30 34 and minus 6 that means it is plus 28. It is plus 28. So xy terms is plus 28, x square terms is minus 50, y square quotient is minus 2. So taken in these three terms, we get minus 2 is taken common. So here remaining term is 25x square minus of minus plus. So that means minus 14xy. Next minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. So minus 2 y square equal to 0. So minus 2 is taken into the other side. 0 by minus 2 means we get 0 by minus 2, we get 0. So expression is 25x square minus 14xy plus y square is equal to 0. So given non-homogeneous equation, convert into homogeneous equation. So homogeneous equation is compare with x square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Here x square quotient is a, here x square quotient is 25 and y square quotient is 1, here y square quotient is b, and next xy quotient is minus 14, xy quotient is 2h, so 2h value is minus 14. So a value 25, b value 1, 2h equal to minus 14 we get. And next find the angle between the lines joining the origin to the pair of point of intersection of the curve and line is given. So we want to find the angle between the pair of straight lines and the line. That means the angle between the pair of straight lines is cos theta equal to modulus of a plus b by square root of a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square. 2h whole square means we get 4h square or 2h whole square. No problem. It is. So cos theta equal to modulus of a plus b by square root of a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square. So replace the values, substitute a, b values and 2h values in this angle. So cos theta equal to a means 25, b means 1. So 25 plus 1 it is 26. And next a minus b whole square, that means 25 minus 1 whole square plus 2h means minus 14. So minus 14 whole square. So 25 minus 1 24. 24 whole square is 576 plus minus 14 whole square means 196. So 576 plus 196 is 772. 772 means 4 into 193. 4 into 193. So root of 772 means root of 4 into root of 193. So root 4 value 2 into root 193. So 2 root 193. We get 2 root 193. 26 means 13 to 26. So 2 cancel. 13 by root 193. So final answer is 13 by root 193. So which implies theta equal to cos inverse of theta equal to cos inverse of 13 by root 193 is the final answer. Okay, thank you very much. Watch this video so many times. Like these sums, 3 sums are there, most important sums, previous sums also. Listen again. Thank you.